Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset your Android phone. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Resetting your phones, you have a bunch of different options. Basically resetting your settings, every single settings that you have, your passwords, your Face ID, your fingerprints, your network settings, all these kind of settings. Those are the factory reset settings. Basically, these are the specific part of your phone, not the whole phone. Or you can factory data reset your phone, basically resetting your phone completely as if as if you just bought it and you're going to reset it up. Okay, so how you can do this is how you can do it is basically you need to launch up settings, and then from settings you're going to scroll down all the way down to general management, and from general management you're going to scroll down until something called reset. Now on reset you have a bunch of different options. Basically reset all settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility settings, or factory data reset. Basically reset all your settings is going to reset all your settings as I explained. You can reset only your network settings, basically your saved Wi-Fi passwords, mobile data, all these kind of settings are only the only settings that are going to be reset, or your accessibility settings, basically the accessibility settings, or factory data reset your device. Basically if you click on it, okay, this is going to tell you every single thing that is going to be resetted. Okay, and once you go down and you're going to click on reset, okay, you're going to enter your pin, and then you're going to click on continue, and then you're going to completely reset your phone. So that was basically how you can reset your phone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.